Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel, a charming retreat in Charleville-Mezieres nestled in the picturesque town of Charleville-Mezieres, France. The Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel offers a charming retreat for both leisure and business travelers. With its convenient location and comfortable amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for those seeking a relaxing and enjoyable stay. Built in 1992 and renovated in 2011, the Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel combines modern comforts with a touch of traditional elegance. The hotel boasts 50 well-appointed rooms, each designed with the utmost attention to detail to ensure a comfortable and relaxing stay. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or as a family, you will find a room that suits your needs. Check-in at the Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel begins at 12 p.m., allowing guests to start their stay at their own pace. The friendly and attentive staff will be on hand to assist you with any requests or inquiries you may have, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free check-in process. Similarly, checkout is until 12 p.m., giving you plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or complete any last-minute preparations before your departure. Please note that the hotel has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be additional charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any associated fees. The Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel strives to provide a comfortable and enjoyable experience for guests of all ages, ensuring a memorable stay for the whole family. Experience the charm and hospitality of the Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel during your visit to Charleville-Mezieres. With its convenient location, comfortable rooms, and attentive service, this hotel is the perfect choice for both leisure and business travelers. Book your stay today and discover all that this enchanting hotel has to offer. Relax and unwind at Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel's entertainment facilities. At Premier Classe Charleville Mezieres Hotel, we believe that a memorable stay involves not just comfortable accommodations, but also a range of entertainment facilities to enhance your experience. Indulge in relaxation and rejuvenation at our sauna and spa, where you can unwind after a long day of exploring Charleville-Mezieres. Let the soothing heat of the sauna envelop you, easing away any tension and leaving you feeling refreshed. For those who prefer to enjoy the outdoors, our hotel boasts a charming garden where you can take a leisurely stroll or simply bask in the sunshine. Immerse yourself in nature's tranquility as you enjoy the fragrant blooms and lush greenery that surround you.